Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install an oil catch can on your LS, specifically with the LS6 valley cover, because the early LS ones have a different PCV system that you route your oil catch can into, and it's a little different on the later LSs like the LS1 made after 2001 and the LS6 motors, and I think this is the same on the LS2 as well, but I'm not sure. But anyways, we'll get into it. So from the factory, your outlet on your LS6 valley cover right here is going to basically elbow back into the intake manifold, and that's just not really a good design. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the oil catch can in between the valley cover coming out here and then route it back into the intake after we have the catch can on. So this is the oil catch can we're going to use. This is just a $25 one off Amazon, but it looks like a pretty good design for the price. Really, I can't complain. I'll open it up here and show you what it looks like on the inside and how it works. So here's the top part of the oil catch can. You have an inlet and you have an outlet. So how this is going to work is we're going to run a hose from the valley cover to the inlet side, and the airflow going into it is going to have a bunch of oil in it. It's going to go through this brass filter here, and the oil is going to drip down from the filter into this baffle, and this baffle is going to keep the oil from coming back up into the intake when the airflow comes back through the outlet into the intake. Alright guys, so we're ready to install this on the car. They don't give you a bracket to mount this, so I had to make my own. It's just a piece of metal. I'm going to bolt it to the head right there, and it should work pretty good. So let's get into it. So what I'm using to route the catch can from and to the intake is just a piece of 7/16 PCV line. Alright guys, sorry I couldn't get a lot of it on video. I had to kind of struggle to get those hose clamps on there on the inside, but this is what it should look like once you're finished. Got the bracket mounted, got the valley cover port going into the inlet side, and the outlet goes to the intake right in there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this takes some of the confusion out of how to put an oil catch can on your LS.